welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So you'll have to excuse my appearance. Today is the day after Christmas and I am packing up things for returning. I'm getting my house back in order. I went to the gym this morning, had a massage after that. Just trying to get back to some sort of normalcy here. So I did not dress up for you today. All right, I have two things I'd like to show you. The reason why I'm doing this now when I'm also disheveled is because if either of these things don't work out, I'm going to ship them back. I did have a pair of, my mind is losing it, a pair of leggings from Beyond Yogurt that I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle that I actually showed you guys, I think it was on Saturday night. And I ended up, I'm going to end up returning those because you know what? I thought they were going to fit. Serena can wear them and they're a regular full length. I'm either just still too long. They bunch at the knees and I would have to like turn them over at the bottom and keep pulling them down. And I don't like that. I want leggings that are capri or 7/8 or just hit me as a full length, not something I have to constantly pull down on me. So those are going back. What I did order, and I haven't showed you yet, is I finally broke down and ordered my level 99 joggers in olive, all right? Now, these I got directly from level 99. The Every site did not carry the green anymore. They only had the midnight camo, which I already have. They had various styles, but I picked this one, which is, I forget which style they call this one. Let's see if I can find it. I'll put it in the comments down below what style it was. But it is made with Tencel, all right? I got them in the size 25, but I'll be honest with you, these seem more narrow in the waist. 41% lyocell, 31% cotton, 12% rayon, 7% polyester, 7% esterel, 2% lycra. And level 99, I want to read the label to you. Consciously designed in Los Angeles, level 99 combines artisan craft and sustainable practices when developing and manufacturing our product. Our garments are produced with sustainable fibers and materials through an environmentally friendly process using less water, less energy, less hazardous chemicals. We have a responsibility to keep you looking awesome and giving you better care for our planet. Each pair is finished to achieve a one-of-a-kind look, capture characteristic of fabric. Take care, color naturally fades after each wash. Color might transfer in wet and dry conditions. So anyone's gonna have to let me know if that's happened with their level 99. I can tell you mine have not so far, and they're hanging in my closet. So these are wash less, wash cold, line dry, recycle, repurpose, or donate. However, made in China, okay? So here they are. They have the side pockets here, all right, like a jogger, and then they have like a jogger bottom, which is not fabric, quite honestly. It is the same type of material as the pants. They kind of like just put a cuff on it. And it has a zipper here on the sides, and it has these fake, no, these are real pockets that just have not been opened yet, and boy, are they sewn tight. I don't think I would open them. They're really sewn tight. Well, maybe they're not pockets and just a flap with a lot of extra material. But yeah, I would not try and mess with opening them, and there's fake pockets in the back. And I'm excited to try these on, just hoping they fit because the waist looks smaller than my other level 99 joggers, okay? Up next, which I will pair with these joggers, not necessarily sure I would always pair with these joggers, but I got this from Stitch Fix Freestyle. It caught my eye. It's a one-shoulder top by KAILEIGH. And this is made in the USA, believe it or not. The joggers are $118. No kidding, expensive. Like I said, I've been wanting them for a while and I finally broke down and got them. This thing I think was less than 40 bucks and made in the USA. So it's the one shoulder, and it's the best way I can describe it, it's like a ribbed corduroy fabric. I want to bring this up close so you can hopefully see. I don't know if you can see the texture of that. It's like a fine corduroy with some stretch. So this is not the type of fabric I was expecting when I ordered this. I just figured it was like a knit, like a poly cotton knit. So the outside is 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and there is a lining, and that's 100% polyester. All right. So I'll try this on and see how it looks. I'm not so sure I'm going to keep this even though it was cheap, but I'll see what it looks like with the joggers. So give me a minute and let me throw this on. Okay, so here is the outfit. The level 99 joggers, as I suspected, are tighter than my other level 99 joggers. I'm not too concerned because if you know anything about them, they stretch, right? So they're not going to be uncomfortable. They're going to stretch in no time. The pockets are pulling a little bit more so than the other. Same size as my other two pairs of level 99 joggers, but for whatever reason, these are a little bit more snug, and it could be after all the indulgence that I had yesterday. So I ate like a piggity wiggity yesterday, and I have no shame about it, so it could be the extra bloating that I'm holding on to today. They are real pockets. I can see them right here. My fingers can fit in them. It's just that the rest of the stitching needs to be undone, which I'm not going to do right now, but I will undo them. Everywhere else they fit, it's just my fluffy middle section that is a problem. So I'm going to keep these. They feel wonderful. I've been wanting this color in a long time. I do have other olive pants, but one is super thin, and it can really only be worn in the summer. They're cloth and stone. Another pair are Liverpool pull-ons, and then another pair are loft that they're too tight. So I'm very happy to have these. I've been wanting them a long time, and they fit my lifestyle. Now, the KAILEIGH top, this is going back. First, I mean, I really don't need date night tops like this, and we don't really go out anywhere, but I thought this was cute and I wanted to give it a try. But the reason why I'm going to return it is the lining only goes like halfway down. So here's the bottom of the shirt, and here's where the lining ends. So I don't like that. I would want something that's fully lined to help control this and the muffin top and the rolls back here. So this is a little bit too form-fitting for my taste. It's just too revealing for especially the way I feel the day after Christmas. So this is going back along with the Beyond Yoga leggings, not joggers. I'm going to return those and keep the pants. All right, well, thank you very much for tuning in to this very short video. Sorry I had like an amnesia moment there. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I usually say I do a lot of shopping hauls and try-ons. It's going to be more towards try-ons and my fitness and weight loss journey. And it's going to be about shopping my closet for the next couple months as I'm in a no-buy. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.